Now the topic is molecular biology. In relation with the other branches, it is the youngest branch in life sciences. Molecular biology is the youngest discipline in life sciences. Molecular biology is the study of macrobiomolecules and their function or the mechanism in living cell. Molecular biology is the study of biomacromolecules, especially nucleic acids, and their mechanism in the cell, in living cells, like gene replication, gene regulation, etc. Now, here, true macrobiomolecules are two types. True macrobiomolecules are the nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are two types, DNA and RNA. Now, the term molecular biology coined by Warren Weber. The term molecular biology coined by Warren Weber. The classical molecular biology starts after the discovery of or the proposal of double helical model by Watson and Crick. Molecular biology. The classical molecular biology starts after the discovery of double helical model by Watson and Crick in 1953. Mainly we are discussing about the nucleic acids here. Nucleic acids, they are the two types, DNA and RNA. These nucleic acids first discovered by Joseph Frederick Mission. Joseph Frederick Mission. And he named them as nuclei. He discovered this in 1886. Nucleic acid first discovered by Joseph Frederick Mission and he named them as nuclein. Later, Altman coined the term nucleic acids. The term nucleic acid coined by Altman. Acidic nature of nucleic acid mainly because of presence of phosphoric acid. Generally, we call it as a phosphate. Acidic nature of nucleic acid mainly because of the presence of the phosphoric acid in it. Now, these nucleic acids are the two types, DNA and RNA. DNA is the genetic material in most of the organisms. Of course, RNA is also genetic material in some virus, not in any other prokaryotes or eukaryotes. In some viruses only RNA that acts as genetic material. Anyhow, both DNA and RNA acts as genetic material or some or more of the organisms. But then compared to the RNA, DNA is the genetic material in most of the organisms. Because of the stability of the DNA then compared to the RNA, it acts as genetic material in most of the organisms. The term genomics, that means the study of all nitrogen-based sequence in a genome with the help of computer. The study of the sequence of nitrogen bases in a genome by using computer knowledge, that is called genomics. Genomics, that is helpful to understand nitrogen base sequence and the structure of the chromosome or the structure of the DNA in an organism, the number of nucleotides and the sequence that is specific to an organism.